I'm going to show you how to add a new keyboard language in your MacBook. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open your MacBook first, and once you're in your MacBook, you just need to look at the top left corner where you can see this Apple menu. Just go ahead and tap here. Now you have options like About This Mac, System Settings, App Store, Recent Items, and many more. You just need to tap on System Settings right over here. And now you have multiple options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, General, Accessibility, Appearance. You just need to scroll down till you find Keyboard, which is right above Trackpad. Just go ahead and tap here. And now you just need to find Languages, which should be right under Dictation. So it's right here. Just go ahead and tap on this button that says Edit. Now just search for the language you would like. So let's say like Japanese. Just search it in the search bar and just toggle it on like this. Or you can just manually search for it by scrolling down. There are multiple options here. You can also find multiple variants of Cantonese like China Mainland or Hong Kong. You also have variant of Mandarin. You have Croatian, Danish, Dutch, Finnish, and many more. So it's completely your choice how you would like it. And there you go. Just tap on OK and you have successfully added a new language in your keyboard. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and I'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.